Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another episode of my life. It is Vinayaka Chaturthi vlog, and this time it's going to be in English. So this is the previous day on 21st 8th 2020. So for any functions or any celebration we need to prepare very well. So similarly, on the day of previous day of Chaturthi, Vinayaka Chaturthi, it was Gauri Puja, and I was there at my mom's place to celebrate that. And along with that, we started preparing for the next day. And my father, he bought all the items which is required for the next day puja. And this is what you're going to see. Kids are very excited with all the products. And these are the few things which is required to do puja, and everything was brought the previous day evening so that we can prepare well in advance for the next day. Now once everything is ready, I went back to my home, and it is the night and it's time to sleep soon to wake up early for the next day. Next day, it was 22nd 8 2020. It's a Vinayaka Chaturthi day, and I woke up early in the morning, say 6 o'clock in the morning, and to start the preparations. I always love mornings, so it's a fresh start of the day. I started up with just oiling my hair so that I can take a head bath for the festive. So I oiled my hair thoroughly so that it takes around 1 hour before the bathing. Once done, I just tied it in knots and started the day. A fresh sunlight gives hope and a freshness to our mind and body. So I always open the windows, which was closed previous day, and I always open this gate also, which leads to the upstairs on the top floor. So wherein I have kept many plants there. It's always fresh to start early in the morning, and previous day couldn't clean my room, so like I'm just cleaning the entire first floor of our house. Always start with a clean mind and clean place. And later on, I just bathed and came to start the puja activities. I took a good hot shower and I towel dried it very well. And I apply serum after my bath so that there is no tangles, and I usually detangle in the balcony so that hair doesn't fall in my room. Now once everything is done, it's around 7 a.m. where the daily morning duties started with cleaning the front yard and putting a kolam. A kolam gives a good vibes to a house, which is very colorful during festival times, so that it gives a very good effect on your mind and soul. Now everything is readily kept, and it's around 8 a.m. and I was in a rush because the puja has to be done within 9 o'clock, or it can be done only after 10:30, as it was a Rahu Kalam from 9 o'clock to 10:30. So I was rushing up with cleaning the entire entire puja room, but I didn't deep clean it as we have already done for the Gauri Puja. Now the Vinayagar is ready to place. I place the Vinayagar. I usually get this brown color Vinayagar. I don't recommend to get any color idols because it's quite toxic to the environment. So as we are not going to immerse this in any lake, we are going to do it in our house itself, and you'll be seeing at the later part of the video. So always go for the idle one, and it is really good if you could invest some more and go in for some organic pillar, like they have seed in them, so you can go for that also. Now everything is kept ready with the music on, like Vinayagar music running behind, and I'm just arranging everything. And meanwhile my mother-in-law was like cooking all the prasadam. It's always good to share the workload as festivals are heavily workloaded, so it's better that you share the work so that you don't get more tired. And as you all know, this Irkalampu, which is very favorite of all flowers for Vinayagar, so do not miss to have this white Irkalampu, and also this Arugambal, which is an absolute favorite for him. So we are going to, after all it's his birthday, so we are going to offer him whichever he likes. And it's a custom to offer these things on Vinayaka Chaturthi, not only Vinayaka Chaturthi, on any day if possible. As I planned earlier, we could finish our puja on time, so I'm just placing all the prasadams for God, and no festival is complete without a prasadam. So we're offering fruits, kolakatais, like both modagam, like sweet, and the karam version, sundal, like we had only 3 cooked at home, and it's a milk. We usually do it on an everyday basis. Pori and some pori. So almost 5 prasadams we had for the function. It depends on, like from 7, 9, you can 11, so you can have any number as per your convenience. Now the pujas started. Like as I already mentioned, we could do on time, so it was around 8:45 a.m. we finished our puja. Only myself and my mother-in-law like participated in this main puja, as Vyas was sleeping, and my husband also was sleeping as he had a night shift. So I don't want to disturb Vyas now, because then totally it's going to be a mess, because he's very naughty, and I don't want to just disturb him in the sleep, so let him sleep. So in the meanwhile, after the puja is over, I'm going to have my breakfast. It was all prasadams, like I had the prasadams which we have cooked, and there is no special breakfast. Now it's around 10 a.m. and in the previous vlog I've already mentioned, a good bedroom or gives you a positive vibes, and you have to always make a good bed setting. And as I told you, like Vyas was sleeping, so once he was awake by 10 o'clock, I did that. And around 11:30 a.m., once everything is done, I watered my plants. So you could see more plant videos in my channel and also on my Instagram. You do check out my Instagram for more plant tips and care, and it will be quite useful for you. So I watered my plants as it was a Saturday and I'm about to leave to my mom's place. So I checked all the plants, so and watered accordingly. So this is, it's a separate story of how to water the plants. I'll be doing a separate video on that. And as of now, I checked all the plants, and whichever required watering, I did that. And I'm doing a video also. I'm doing a water propagation also of few plants. So I'll be sharing the entire process in a separate video. Please do have a check and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss anything. So it was around in the afternoon, and like my husband woke up, and the day started, and it's around evening 5 o'clock, and I forgot to just fold my clothes. So it usually happens to everyone, I guess. And please do share in the comments, like most of you can relate with this. So it was around 2 days or 3 days it was lying, and I wanted to fold it before I leave to my parents' house. I just kept everything ready to move. I usually close the doors in the evening before 5 or something, so that there's no mosquitoes coming around the house. Now I've kept everything ready, the most essential parts, like it's the tab, iPad, and all the accessories, like whichever we required. And my husband didn't know I've kept the camera there. If would have known, he would have killed me. Like, he's not that interested with coming out in cameras. So I kept everything ready to move to my mother's place, and now it's the most exciting part. So every girl is excited to go to mother's place, right? Please. So as he was not there in the morning, now he's just offering his prayers. This is the scene between father and son. It's always interesting between them.
சரி, ஆக்சிலேட்டர் எப்படி கார் ஓட்ட, வண்டி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற? கீழே பார்த்தவனுக்கு அவ நேர்ல ரோட் எப்படி பார்ப்ப?
அவனுக்கு எட்ட ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். 10-11 இயர்ஸ்ல எட்ட ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். Everything is set to go. And this is the evening scene. So before going to my my mother's place, we bought some snacks for the weekend, munching on the weekend, because as Sunday was locked down, so we wanted to get all the products required.
தலையில விழுந்தா தலைக்கு ஒன்றும் பண்ணல, கையை பிடிச்சி நான் பார்த்துட்டு அந்த பாட்டி கதவை பாட்டே இருக்கிறா. இப்படி திரும்பி கதவை தொடர்றதுக்குள்ள அவங்க ஐயா பாட்டி ஐயோன்னா திரும்பி பார்க்குற குட்டி கூப்பிட்ற
Hope you hear the adventures of Omisha. The first thing I do after reaching my mom's place is to check what all she cooked and what all is available. So that's the thing which I do. And it's around 10 p.m. we immersed the Ganesha idol into water. அப்புறம் தம்பி கோச்சுட்டாரு என்ன பண்றது? பட்டையோடையா? பட்டை எடுத்து இரா இரா இரா. என்ன ஒரு பக்கத்துல ஒரு ஷூ கேடு. எப்படி அழகா இருக்கு. நல்லா அழகா இருக்கு மூஞ்சி. அதனால தான் எனக்கு பார்த்தோன்னே வாங்கினேன். முன்னாடி எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு பீஸ் தான் இருந்துச்சு. மெல்லுக்கு மெல்லுக்கு. கோவிந்தாவா? அரோஹரா கோவிந்தா.
அம்மா போட்டோ எடுத்துட்டாரு நில்லு கணேசன் பக்கா.
And it's a dinner time for my kids. Like she always wanted to see something like cartoon or something before watching, like before having a dinner, like while having a dinner. So that's happening, which we don't encourage, we don't like it, but still I wanted to make her eat, so sometimes we do. Now it's around 11 p.m. and it's a playtime for kids with their grandparents. And I hope you like this video. If you did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. All the links are given in the description bar below. Thank you.